bago ka pa lang po sa aking video na ito, please click the subscribe and hit the button para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bago kong video. So guys, our topic for today is about layer of soil. So guys, I have a materials here. So guys, tuturuan ko po kayo na maggawa ng layer of soil. So, meron po ako ditong plastic bottle na kinat ko na po guys, as you can see. So, ayun guys. So, let's start guys! The soil made up the 5 layers. Number 1 is humus. This is the top layer ng soil with the leaves and organic matters is composed or decaying. Below the humus is called topsoil. Ito po ay pwede nating pagtamnan ng mga halaman kasi po mayaman po ito sa humus and mineral. Below the topsoil is called subsoil. It is composed of loosely arranged rocks, sand, and clay. This layer is very rich with minerals that drain from topsoil. When the topsoil is washed out, the subsoil alone cannot support plant life. Below the subsoil is called parent rocks. Is composed of rock that are slowly breaking apart. It exposed to very little weathering. That contain necessary nutrients and water needed for plant growth. Last is the lowest of the soil layers is bedrock. It made up of undisturbed large boulders and gravels. These layers contains material good for constructing buildings and making roads. No plant life can survive in this layer. So guys, nalaman na po natin ang 5 layers ng soil. Humus, topsoil, subsoil, parent rocks, bedrocks. What are the 3 major layers of soil? A. Parent rocks, loamy soil, topsoil. B. Loamy soil, topsoil, bedrock. C. Topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. D. Humus, soil, parent rocks. The answer is C. Topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. Which layer of soil has the most humus? A. Loamy soil, B. Topsoil, C. Bedrock, D. Parent rocks. The answer is B. Topsoil. Topmost layer of the earth crust. A. Soil, B. Water, C. Air, D. Humus. The answer is A. Soil. The plant grow well in A. Loam soil, B. Bedrocks, C. Sand, D. Clay. The answer is A. Loam soil. Soil is formed by the breaking down of A. Sand, B. Silt, C. Rocks, D. Clay. The answer is C. Rocks. Sana po may natutunan po kayo sa aking video na ito. So, see you on my next video. Goodbye!